Hello students, today's our chapter is magnetic effect of electric current. It is the physics of the class 10th science. Here we have learned about electric current, which is I equal to Q by T, that is rate of flow of charge per second. We know it, I equal Q by T. We learned about electric potential, and we know electric resistance and heating effect of electric current. Now in this chapter we have learned about magnetic effect of electric current. What is magnetic effect? We know about the magnets. Magnets have two poles, like north pole and south pole. We know that magnet is a ore of iron called magnetite. Magnet is a natural magnet, is a ore of iron called magnetite. And we know about the electric magnets. Electric magnets are what? Electric magnets are the magnets which made by the power of electricity. Here we have to learn the magnetic effect of electric current by the experiment of Oersted, a scientist named Oersted. His full name is Hans Christian Oersted. Spelling O-E-R-S-T-E, Oersted. The scientist Oersted oriented that he done a practical about a thin wire. That experiment is like this, the circuit. This is the resistance. There is a key, and this is our battery. This is key K, and that is battery. This is resistance. This is the positive pole, that is negative pole. When the key is inserted, or we can on the switch, and current is passes through the wire AB, and we put near the copper wire, this is copper wire, near the copper wire a magnetic needle. There is a needle. Let us suppose that this is north pole of the needle, and I see that is south pole of the needle. Then when the current passes through the wire, then that magnetic needle is magnetic needle. That is our copper wire. The magnetic needle is deflected. It means it shows the deflection. Let us suppose this pen is copper wire, suppose, and this is magnetic needle. If that is north pole and that is south pole, it is north pole of the magnet and it is south pole of the magnet. When we passes current through the wire, let us suppose that is the wire. Pen is a wire and the pencil is needle. then north pole is deflected like that. Then the north pole of the needle reflected like that. This deflection shows that the wire have also a magnetic field. Wire have magnetic field means electric current means flowing charge produces magnetic field. We know that magnetic field are affected by only magnetic field. It means magnetic field always affected by magnetic field. मतलब कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को केवल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ही प्रभावित कर सकती है. It means the flowing charge produces magnetic field.